Hi guys, this is Katrina and I'd like to welcome you back to my channel if you're an old-time subscriber, and I'd like to say welcome if you are new here. And in this video, I am going to be trying out some products by Curl Mix. I have had my eye on this black-owned brand for a really long time and always wanted to try them, but never, I just never just made the plunge to do it. So for some reason, when I saw the notification about a Mango Magic styling kit, I don't know, I just felt like, okay, now is the time to try these products. First of all, because it has mango in it and I love me some mangoes. And just for the simple fact that it is a magic styling kit. So that just really piqued my interest. So I went ahead and purchased these products. It's actually 3 products in this actual styling kit. So the first product in the styling kit is the Mango Magic Avocado Moisturizer, the Mango Magic Honey Gel, and the last product in the styling kit is the Mango Magic Setting Mousse. Now, I am a wash and go girl, and usually when I do my wash and goes, all I need is a leave-in conditioner, moisturizer, and the styling gel. But in this particular styling kit, it has the mousse as the last step. So I am very interested to see how this extra step will make my wash and go last, or how it will make my wash and go look. So I have already applied the avocado moisturizer in my hair in the shower, and I am just going to take my plastic cap off now so that you can see what it looks like with just the leave-in in. So the way that they advise you to use this product is to apply it on freshly cleansed and conditioned soaking wet curls, which is one of the reasons why I applied it while I was in the shower, just so I would know that my hair is soaking wet. And it says to apply the avocado moisturizer to each section, finger comb to allow your curls to clump together. Now I will say that this avocado moisturizer has like a really thin consistency, kind of like a lotion type consistency. And when I was applying it to my wet hair, I had no problems with getting the product through my hair. Even though it was like more of a thin consistency, like it really made my hair feel really moisturized, and it also absorbed into my strands really nicely. And as you can see, like it's not any like white residue or anything. It's like my hair is super shiny and the product just has absorbed into my hair. Okay, so this is what the avocado moisturizer is looking like in my hair. My hair feels really moisturized, y'all, and as you can see, like the curl definition is on point. And like I said earlier, even though it has like a really thin consistency, let me just show you what it looks like. It is like really moisturizing. Very good. So I'm just going to apply the rest of that to my hair because, hey, we're not wasting any product. So put that in there, and I am just going to go ahead and section my hair and get into this honey gel. Okay, so before I get into the honey gel though, I wanted to read to you what was on the little card that they sent in with these products. And it says, "Dear Curl Mixer," it says, "Curl Mix Fresh are limited edition kits that contain 3 to 4 new products, and they are released monthly." It says these are exclusive, never before seen products with high quality, natural and organic ingredients. These products won't be released as Curl Mix mainstays. So it says to subscribe to Curl Mix Fresh to make sure you're the first in the line each month. Kim and Tim. So I will put a link to Curl Mix's website in the description box so you can stay on the up and up when they release these Curl Fresh kits. So now let's go ahead and get into the gel portion of this video. Okay, so this is what the gel looks like. a pretty nice consistency. Whew. And as you can see, it's like really runny, almost slid off my hand, but this is what it is looking like. And this smells, it smells good, and I do smell the mango in it, but it's not as strong as the mango scent in the Avocado Moisturizer. They both smell nice. So yeah, this is what the gel is looking like on my hand, and it feels like it has like a really slippery consistency, and it feels like it's going to be very slippery when I put it on my hair. So let's just go ahead and do that. So it is really clumping my curls pretty nicely. It's giving me great definition. Okay, so this is what my hair looks like with the moisturizer and the gel. Nice and defined versus this side with just the avocado moisturizer. Okay, so you guys know the drill. Once I'm done, I'm going to come back and let you guys see what my hair looks like with the moisturizer and the gel on, and then we'll go ahead and apply the mousse. So just stay tuned. So this is what my hair is looking like with just the moisturizer and the gel on it. Curls are still super duper defined. So now we're going to go in with the setting mousse, and once again, this is what it looks like. So I think what I'm going to do is just apply the mousse into these two sections that I have. I'm not going to make them any smaller. So let's just go ahead and do okay, so for the mousse, it says apply a few pumps to each section after the gel for a defined hold. It says to follow with a leave-in conditioner for a softer hold. I am not going to be applying a leave-in conditioner after that, and I'm assuming they mean the avocado moisturizer. I'm not really sure, but and it doesn't like specify what leave-in. So yeah, I won't be putting a leave-in conditioner on my hair after the mousse because I just want to see how these three products work together. And I don't mind a stronger hold for my wash and goes because I want them to last longer. All right, so now we do the wait test, y'all. We're gonna wait until my hair dries completely. I'm gonna come back, let you guys see what my hair looks like. Pretty sure I'll have to band my hair because I'm pretty sure there's gonna be some shrinkage. So y'all just keep your fingers crossed that, you know, my results come out really good, and I will be back once my hair is completely dried. Okay, so my hair has completely dried, and this is what my hair is looking like. There is some shrinkage, but not a whole lot. There is a cast on my hair, which I'm not really mad about because, you know, that just lets me know that I'll have, you know, a pretty good hold for a good number of days. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and band my hair, put my bonnet on, and then tomorrow I'll come back and let you guys see what my day 1 results look like. Do y'all see this? Do y'all see these results? Like, y'all, this wash and go looks really, really good. Like, do y'all see the definition? Do y'all see the movement that I have? Like, this, I don't know, y'all. Like, this looks so good. Like, I am like so pleased with my results. I love the way these products work for my hair, and I don't know if the mousse did anything for it or it was just, you know, like the icing on the cake, but y'all, my hair looks really good. Like, this is a bomb wash and go, and I am just going to have to add this video to my bomb wash and go playlist. I will have that linked below in the description box so that you guys can check it out. And you know, maybe if you have the time, you can go through those videos to see, you know, how this wash and go stacks up to the other bomb wash and goes that I've had. But y'all, this one is like at the very top of the list. Like, I mean, I don't know what else to say, y'all. It's just bomb. Like, it's not like stiff or anything. Like, I don't have any flakes. What else can I say, y'all? Like, definitely try out Curl Mix products. So overall, I give these products an A++. Definitely try them out if you have not. Also, if you have not subscribed to my channel already, please go ahead and do so before you go. I would greatly appreciate it. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.